Hey guys, a common question we get is how to apply rules to only a percentage of lineups. For example, like setting 50% of lineups to have a running back in the flex, while the other 50% has a wide receiver. Let's show you how to do something like this. First thing we got to do is create our first set of lineups. Um, and to make it easy, let's use the slate specific settings to have options for both wide receiver in flex and running back in flex. So let's add a new slate setting. We're going to call it RB in flex. Save that. And now we go to advanced settings where we want to make the rule. So we want only a running backs and flex. We're going to unselect wide receiver and tight end. And now we are going to run, let's just do 50 lineups with running back, 50 lineups with wide receivers. So this will be the first 50 with just running backs in flex because of our new rule. And there we go, running backs in the flex only. Perfect. That'll be the first 50. And now we can make a different rule for just wide receiver in the flex. So let's add that to the slate specific settings. Wide receiver in flex. And now we got to make the rule to just have the wide receiver in flex. Unselect running back and tight end. And instead of re-optimizing up here, we're actually going to go down to our first 50 run of lineups with just the running back and flex, and we're going to add 50 more. And of course, you can add whatever you want to get the desired split that you would like. All right, so now let's add 50 more with our new rule wide receiver in flex. Add more, and that'll give us 100 lineups. So it'll give us 50 additional lineups on top of the ones we created, applying just the new rule to this batch. And let's take a look. So our first 50 running back in flex, and then we get to the next 50, and we're just going to have wide receiver in flex. Perfect. You can imagine the usefulness of combining these features to layer in different ideas within the same run of lineups. This approach opens up creative ways to test strategies and get some unique lineup combinations. Thanks, guys.